Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan double chocolate loaf cake. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place all of your ingredients. So I like to start with the dry. I'm not going to do it in any particular order, but I like to add in the dry ingredients first, followed by the wet. Then mix everything together on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium high speed, and mix until everything is combined. Being careful not to over mix, as you don't want to make the cake mixture tough. So just mix until you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. Then you can go ahead and finish the mixture off. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So get the very top and the bottom of the bowl, that's normally where these bits will stick. You can then go ahead and add in the chocolate chips, which are vegan, and just fold these in until they are fairly distributed throughout the dough. It doesn't take very long, so be careful not to over mix. Then take your loaf pan, which has been lined with either a loaf liner or some parchment paper, and place in the batter, level it out a little. Then here's what you should have. Place it into the oven, but before you place it into the oven, you'll want to go ahead and just take some chocolate chips and just scatter them over the top. Be generous, as the cake rises, they will spread out, so be as generous as you possibly can. And here is what that looks like. Don't forget to then place it into your oven and bake it. I'll leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here is what the cake looks like once it's been baked and allowed to cool fully. I cut it into very generous portions, but feel free to make the portions bigger or smaller. It's really up to you. It's quite a rich cake as well, so you may not want as much of it as you may think. I cut the whole loaf up, but feel free to cut it in sections, or cut it up as you want it. It's really up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. But here is what it looks like on the inside. As you can tell where the chocolate chips have been, they've melted, and it just creates this really good chocolatey cake. I recommend trying it if you haven't already. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, links to the blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check those out. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.